guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subby, thank you for your continuous support, my love. And if you're new here, thank you for stopping by and exploring life with Swazi. Please make sure that you join my beautiful family by making sure that you subscribe, you like, and you comment, and make sure that you click on that notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you do not miss out. You do not what? You do not miss out, period. As you have seen by the title of this video, I am showing you guys how I do my eyebrows, like keep them giving that simple natural look. This video won't be too long, it's just a short video, but let me show you guys what I use to draw my eyebrows, you know. It's this like eyebrow pencil from Huda Beauty. I hope you can see it. It's Huda Beauty. And a spool. I also use a spool, concealer, and then sunlight. I use sunlight to make my like eyebrows last longer, since I don't have like a gel, you know. Yeah guys, that's it. And yeah, you need your like eyeliner to be sharp so that you can get work done. Do you get me? Yeah, this is how my like eyebrow pencil looks like now. Okay, like firstly I just fix my eyebrows and make them that they look fixed, you know, not all over the place. I hope you can see me. So after fixing my eyebrows, I then go in with my sunlight first before drawing my eyebrows. So then after I have fixed my eyebrows, and then like with sunlight, I then go with my pencil, like start drawing my eyebrow, you know. There's so many ways to get paid. I tried to pay, he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna romp. Big boots in the bus, they pump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like, I tell you, always stay hot. Oh, they mad cause I keep making bops. Oh, she mad cause I'm taking her spot. If I'm damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood. She lit. Like another thing guys, my eyebrows, you know, like I know that cuts, I didn't cut them, you know, they're anyhow, but I think cutting them like makes it much more easier for you to draw your eyebrows, like removing hair, like excessive hair, you know. And the other thing about me, I don't have like eyebrows, so cutting it would be more of like downplaying myself, you know. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to blend my eyebrow. And then after that, okay, I left something. I use a concealer just to give my eyebrows shape. I need something like, what's this thing? I'm forgetting the name of it. I don't even know the name of it. So let me not say I'm forgetting the name. I don't know the name. But you'll see, guys. Let me get it. Okay, guys, I wanted this brush. It's this brush. That's I wanted to get. Yeah. Then I camera. This concealer is wet because of sun. Yabona ibhedisa i-process yami this thing. Yo guys, my concealer was like directed to the sun, and now it's not giving me what I So now I am going in with my second eyebrow. You know the process, you blend. That was quick. Within like 20 minutes, I think, I'm sure, I'm certain that this didn't even take me like 20 minutes. I'm becoming the best. I'm becoming the best. Period. You know? And like I always do this. Like guys, I'm like, English is not my mother tongue, and I didn't go to these fancy schools. So some English words are not in my mind, but as time goes by, I would definitely learn few more words for some stuff. Where I use sure. But for now, I'm still pushing with that English I was taught there by my grade 6 teacher, because I believe that's the one person who taught me English. Not so well, but he tried his best. That's why I'm able to articulate some words. That's why you guys are able to hear me properly. I believe you are hearing me properly. It's not that bad. It's not giving they were no, it's not. I know I can rate myself 8 out of 10. Yeah, guys, I am done. I did it. I hope you did fully see the process. It's not that hard, things are not that hard. Once you get used to doing things, you see that it's not that hard. I cannot say this is too perfect, but it's way much better than the first time I was still learning to do this. So I hope you did learn a thing or two. So I think I really tried. Like when Uteni, what are your comments on this? Did I try? Did I lose? It's giving what? Try. I mean, yeah, I really tried. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.